In this video, we're diving into how to use Jetpack Boost to improve your site speed the easy way. What's up everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build your first website without feeling overwhelmed or stuck on the technical stuff. So if you're ready to speed up your website, then sit back, relax, and follow along. Why site speed actually matters. If your site is slow, people leave. That's it. A slow site means lost visitors, higher bounce rates, and lower rankings in Google. It also just feels frustrating to use. And if you're building your first website, those first impressions really matter. Speed isn't just about tech, it's about trust and user experience. Jetpack Boost gives you a way to instantly improve site performance without needing to mess with code or hire a developer. So let's get into how it works. What is Jetpack Boost? Now, Jetpack Boost is a free plugin for WordPress, built by the same folks behind WordPress.com. It's kind of like a tool belt that helps your website run smoother and load faster, especially on mobile. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a developer or know anything about code. Jetpack Boost handles a lot of the technical stuff in the background, so you can focus on your content. Boost takes care of some of the biggest slowdowns that drag your site down, like bloated CSS, unoptimized images, and too many scripts running all at once. But enough of the overview, let's break down how it works. Now, if you don't have a website or you're looking to get your first WordPress website, we recommend Hostinger. If you want to get started, we've got a link for you down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. You can either start with a free trial or click on See Plans, and then you can choose from two of their most popular plans, the premium plan or the business plan. The premium plan allows you to create up to 25 websites. It's got a drag and drop editor, email marketing, a 30-day money back guarantee. And this is your first website. That's probably more than enough. Just go ahead and click on Choose Plan to get started. And then all you need to do is go ahead and choose the term you want to commit to, whether that's 1, 12, 24, or 48 months. For this example, I'll choose 12 months. And then the last thing you want to do here is in the coupon code area, type in my first website and click apply to save even more money. And then for only $43.09, you're going to go ahead and get a full year to Hostinger. Again, click the link down in the description and use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout. How to install Jetpack Boost. Now, step one is getting the plugin installed. So go ahead, log into your WordPress dashboard and head over to plugins. So let's go ahead and do that now. Here in plugins, we'll go ahead and click on add plugin, and I'll type in Jetpack and click search. And here we have Jetpack Boost right here. So I'll go ahead and click install now. Once that's installed, we'll click on activate. So as you can see, they've got a paid version as well as a free version. Now for the free version, we'll go ahead and just click on start for free. Exploring the Jetpack Boost dashboard. Now the dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of your site's speed score. You'll see two numbers, one for desktop and one for mobile. These are based on Google's PageSpeed Insight tool. Now don't panic if the mobile score is a bit lower. That's pretty common. Phones have less power and slower networks, so mobile scores are usually tougher to improve. Now under the scores, you'll see a list of features that you can turn on or off. Each one does something different to help your site run faster. So let's walk through each one in detail. Optimize CSS loading. Your site uses CSS to control how everything looks, but loading the full CSS file right away can slow down how quickly anything appears on the screen. So here we go. We have optimized critical CSS loading manual, which is awesome. We go ahead and have that turned on, and that's what we want. So we'll go ahead and regenerate that if we make any major changes to our layout, but for now, it's gone ahead and done that for us. Defer non-essential JavaScript. JavaScript runs a lot behind the scenes. Features, pop-ups, chat widgets, social sharing buttons, but those features don't need to load right away. Boost gives you the option to delay those scripts until after the main content has shown up. That way your visitors can start reading or scrolling without waiting on extra bells and whistles. So here we have that defer non-essential JavaScript, and I'll go ahead and turn that on. Concentrate CSS and JavaScript. Concentrate means combine. Normally your website loads a bunch of separate CSS and JavaScript files. Every single one is a request to the server, and each request adds a bit of time. When you turn this on, Boost bundles all those files together into fewer requests. So instead of asking for 10 things, it asks for 2 or 3. Think of it like going to the grocery store with 10 items and checking out once instead of 10 times. Much faster. So we'll click here and we'll go ahead and turn on Concentrate JavaScript and Concentrate CSS. Cache site pages. Now by default, WordPress builds pages from scratch every time someone visits. That means pulling content from the database, combining it with your theme, and rendering it for each person. Caching changes that. It stores a ready-to-go version of your pages so that future visitors get them instantly. Jetpack Boost includes simple page caching. You just turn it on and it starts working. So here we go. We have cache site pages. We'll go ahead and turn that on. Image CDN and lazy loading. So images can kill your page speed if they're not optimized. Jetpack Boost helps in two big ways. First, it uses a CDN, a network of fast servers around the world, to deliver your images from the closest server to each visitor. That's faster than serving them all from one place. Second, with a paid plan, Boost lets you lazy load images. That means they only load when someone scrolls down to them. Together, these two features help your site feel faster without you needing to resize every image manually. So here on image CDN, we'll go ahead and turn that on. And this is where it has that auto resize lazy images. And again, that is on the upgraded plan. Identify large images. Even with a CDN, oversized images are still a problem. Jetpack Boost includes an image analyzer tool that helps you find which images are dragging your site down. This is a small fix that can make a huge impact, especially for image heavy pages like blogs or portfolios. This is where we'll go ahead and find the image guide. So this feature helps you discover images that are too large. So we'll go ahead and turn that on when Jetpack Boost isn't enough. Now, sometimes even after turning on all of Boost's features, your site might still feel slow or score poorly. That's when it's time to look beyond Boost. Try these steps. Remove any plugins that you're not actively using. Switch to a lightweight theme. Some themes come packed with code that drags everything down. Something like Astra or the Blocksy are great themes that are lightweight. Cut back on third-party scripts like ad trackers or unnecessary analytics. Use PageSpeed Insights to see specific recommendations. Now, if all else fails, talk to your host. A slow server can ruin even the best optimized site. Final thoughts and tips. Jetpack Boost is a one-click tune-up for your site. It won't fix everything, but it handles the low-hanging fruit, and that's where most beginner websites get stuck. Don't obsess over scoring 100 out of 100 on every test. Instead, focus on how your site feels. Load it on your phone, try it on a slower Wi-Fi connection, and see what the experience is like. If it loads quickly, looks stable, and feels snappy, that's a win. If you want to get started with Hostinger or the upgraded paid version of Jetpack Boost, we'll have links for you down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.